Society's ideas of beauty. The most important thing for me is a stage here to the woman I was created to be, making sure to express the highest and truest expression of myself with love, respect, and dignity. Mabuhay, Barangay Lomas! Good evening, judges. This is Queen Ivy Realisa Quiñones, 18. From Tondo, Manila, a bona fide member and one of the representative of the most active LGBTQA+ organization in the whole Metro Manila, the UDM Bahaghari, a Pageantology 101 ambassadors, and one of the faces of the But tonight, this is a pageant. Allow me to use the name of our very own pride, Universe 2020 is Albany Gabriel. Is Albany Gabriel po na nagsasabi, don't hide your pride. Peony and spread your wings.
Hindi pumalakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Ang hindi pumalakpak at humiyaw, madadamay kapitbahay. Tiro lang po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, according to the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 4 of the Bill of Rights, that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and most especially the freedom of expression. That is why, judges, audiences, I am here standing in front of you, expressing the way I want to be. Ladies and gentlemen, and in between, good evening, beautiful people of Barangay Lomas, Malabon. This is Tracy Serena, a sweet 23 years old stunner, all the way from the fishing trade capital of the Philippines, Navota City. And I am not your cum laude, I am not your magna cum laude, nor your summa cum laude, because this is not a recognition day. But since this is a beauty pageant, I am standing in front of you, I'm proud to say that I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. I am also a former teacher at Lanaval Academy, and I am proud to share to everyone that I am a licensed professional teacher. But tonight, please do allow me to stand and carry the image of one of the most gorgeous, beautiful, your Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Hashtag White Version. This is Chelsea Manalo na nag-iiwan po sa inyo, lalo na sa mga kabataang bakla na naririto ngayong gabi. Bago po kayo magpaganda, lumaklak ng kung ano-anong pampabuti, pampalaki ng buging, at pampasexy, magsiaral na kayo. Dahil ika nga ni Kuya Kim, lamang ang may alam. And tonight, I am wearing the Maria Clara inspired Filipiniana costume. Because I always believe that the national costume is not about how big, it's about how we live life in a national costume that you are wearing. Again, Barangay Longas, Malabon. This is candidate number 9. Please do mark my number. I'll give you a show. And later remember to. Judges are candidates. Judges again are our candidate number 9.
Mula sa isang natatanging lungsod, sa hilagang kanluran ng Kamaynilaan people of Barangay Longas, Malabon City for the last time, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala rin po bang brother, jowain dyan? Joke lamang po. Each and every candidate wants to be remarkable. But for I may not be the biggest nor largest costume for tonight, but strongly believe that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly remarkable. Well, a glamorous evening, beautiful people, is standing here before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 80 years old stunner. Since this is a pageant, the distinguished panel of educators amongst her. And to all audience here tonight, let me carry and conquer the image of your one and only. Ako po, ang babaeng inalayan ng isang daang tula para kay Stella. At ngayon po'y nagbabalik bilang isa sa mga hosts sa Showtime. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay na palakpakan at hiyawan Binibining Bella Padilla, the original. Judges, for you always believe that for you to be able to wear a national costume, it is not how big, how extravagant or glamorous your costume is, but it is how you give life, justice, and most especially stand out within the costume that you are wearing. Because let us always remember, it is not what you wear, but it is how you wear it. And I am very proud to wear this goddess of beauty inspired, saying, mark my number, because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you so much.
Judges, once again, number 10.
ng nakararaan, isang layunin ang pinagmulan. Pinagbuklod-buklod ang isang kabaklaan, patungo sa mahusay na pagpapakilanlan. Sa layo pa ho ng aking pinanggalingan, sa daming pagsubok ang aking dinanas. Narito po ako sa inyong harapan, hindi upang utsain, laikin o inyong pagtawanan. Dahil ngayong gabi ay magiging parte po kami ng kasaysayan sa barangay ninyong nasasakupan. Pati tumpawang matatalino at edukado. Intelligent professional ang huratin natin sa gabi ito. Kaya para ho sa mga iilang kandidata, ibigay ho natin ang 100% ng respeto sa ating pagpapakilala sapagkat 50% ho ng mga manonood ay pawang kabataan. This is my real name is Carl Francis Sarmiento at ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo pong hiramin ko ang pagkababae, the one and only, your favorite tattoo girl on TikTok. Yes, ako po, ang babaeng Vanessa. 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 Vanessa Rabal. Vanessa Rabal na nagsasabi, the last is more than the first. Thank you.